Hi beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel with your hairstylist. I hope you all are fine and good with your family. So if you visit my channel for the very first time, I want to tell you that this channel is created for those people who have a craze of hair fashion. So if you also have a craze of hair fashion and you are very conscious about your good hairstyle, then you come on a right platform. In this platform, you can get latest hairstyles, trendy haircuts, and bouncy hair dye color ideas for women's and men's both. As well as also, you can also get girls' hair accessories ideas, hair growth remedies. So don't forget to watch my videos and also share it with your friends and family members, and also keep subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press bell icon. In this way, you can get latest updates from my side. So guys, you must watching my videos without skipping it and watching till the end. If you love my today content, then do share it with other people as well as your friends and family members. I work so hard for you guys with honesty, so keep watching my videos and keep supporting me till the end. If you want to know more ideas, let me know in the comment section. I am trying to complete your request and bring up more new updates for you. So let's come to the main point. So this video is very special because I am talking about the viral hairstyle. Yeah, I am talking about twist out hairstyle, which is very trendy in 2023 also. So a twist out is the perfect natural hairstyle. It involves dividing your hair into sections, twisting the sections, allowing them to dry and set, and then unraveling the twist to achieve gorgeous waves. As you can see in my video, I am sharing with you several pictures. In this video, I am trying to telling you that how to make this twist out perfect hairstyle for natural hairs. This hairstyle is very time taking, but it looks very gorgeous. As you can see in my video, I am sharing with you several pictures here. You can take the idea from my video. Don't skip my videos, keep watching my videos, and if you want to know more ideas, let me know in the comment section. I am trying to complete your request and bring up more new updates for you. This is one of the best hairstyle which is very viral in 2022, and as well as also in coming up 2023 it's become also a trending. This hairstyle is time taking, but a twist out lasts you 1 to 4 weeks depending on how long you leave your twist before taking them out. Within these 4 weeks, you can unleash your creativity with different styles, hair makeup from curl fit and hair accessories. There is an important point that is a little known or less discussed fact is that twists are not for everyone. Some actually experience breakage as a result of wearing twist. Damage can occur due to the hair being fine, weak and fragile. Many that perform twist use tension to ensure that the twists are uniform in shape and size. So it seems me harmful for your hairs, but this hairstyle is not for everyone. So to get the best definition, when you take out your twist, you need to make sure your hair is tangle free. First, comb out each section of hair with a detangling brush or a wide tooth comb. It's the perfect style for transitioning, elongating your hair and transforming your natural pattern. A twist out is the perfect natural hairstyle. It involves dividing your hair into sections, twisting the sections, allowing them to dry and set, and then unraveling the twist to achieve gorgeous waves. Here is some necessary tips for you guys. Some of the most popular types of twist out are single strand twist, or also known as finger coils, or two strand twist and flat twist. There is some categories of twist out hairstyle. So two of the most tried and true protective style are the twist out and braid out. Both of these styles have been championed time and time again as the ultimate providers and moisture retention, shrinkage and protection, and the most important, they are both a two of one deal. I hope my today content is very helpful for you, dear friends. Please take care of yourself and keep watching my videos. If you like my video, please subscribe.